Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong revives traditional sports at Nangsiang after 30 years. Meghalaya police undertake checking of vehicles to ensure peaceful by-election, and one person killed in head-on collision at Umroi bypass. And now the news in detail. Matdin Darbar Shillong in West Janta Hills today revived the traditional sport known as Pet Nangsiang after 30 years that it has not been practiced any longer by the villagers. The Pet Nangsiang is a traditional sport where the participants will have to carry the paddy on let load from the paddy fields to the place where paddy is stored. The sports provide entertainment for rural folks during the sowing season. In the olden days, the winner was rewarded with a token of appreciation of 1 rupee only and the runner-up with a few paise. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Nujorki Sungo said this traditional sport should be replicated in other villages of West Janta Hills district.
Item guar keteto gajingi kop than khanam tenang kong penpau ni siang kuble pigi pranong chong chnong gumaya nado namai deng yong gensur nado giman be giman pa ki khna khnro barkam jole ini ki khna khin guyam langwi hining por siang kumen wang wada yu ikam ni galat ke bu ha gawa upersang penimbiang ya ga yi ka sap lane ya ga yi ka jingile ke yong ki wehe yong i hagi por menchua dang nei step da yu pendem wi program ka phet nang siang yong ka wom em de kat ni boy de boy di gile house nem em de an re siang kumen wang ne leng ba jingi snok ti lang yong pi ginong chong chnong yong woro ar dali ni chnong da ye penman ni ga phet nang siang bad da man gale ka phet nang siang ko yo suk ko yo tunat bat man gale jingi phet ko job te upo ni atu sibenta ko ar he jingi to organika jingi pengkre ong i ka te to ka jingi than khanam ka competition ma woro si ka tu ye than khanami jo emria bo por lene jo emri a price andre mentu kini nong than ni yo phi u than gile o khanam umiet ba bat ka por le tu pendep ki po ka por dep ni ti wo ka price nang yo ki wo ka price we ni nong than te karam te ni nong than se ba ya than ha ye pen miet ne ba ikwa yo khanam u miet dor tam u miet dor te tu yo nong kong ma te ka por man go gam ni ne ka por go tu usdang nado usdang hado odep khanam so pusan minit dan hi dem ne te jing jrong yong khanam nruin chi te mut chajrong hoi bai tang chapu hoi de ma nruin chi jing jrong yong khanam te ka por hapo so pusan minit dan hi am kam dep ki odep palat ik so pusan minit madado price te garam te ya ready bha aku sedang no isi sendan ini jingnya than khanam te gini nong chong chnong le ki we ami gi ma gi wo ki we ami gi pa gi khon ye bor e men se ni ki nang usmat gi than to ini por chi sendan no declare no ki nong than 3 dia nong than khanam
Meghalaya police of East Khasi district have started checking the vehicles to ensure peaceful by-election in the 2 assembly constituencies of the district. The Election Commission has declared holding of by-election to the 13 Maurangkening and 24 Mauplang Assembly constituencies on the 30th of this month. The election was necessitated following the death of Maurangkening MLA David Nongrum and demise of Mauplang MLA SK Sun. Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Coming back to the news, one person was killed and another seriously injured when two vehicles collided head-on at Umroi bypass this morning. Police informed that a vehicle bearing number AS11G7819 coming from Silchar to Guwahati collided head-on with a truck bearing the number NL01A9137 coming from the opposite direction at Umtirna on Umroi bypass, resulting in the death of the driver of the vehicle coming from Silchar, and the seriously injured person was rushed to civil hospital for treatment.
Dire, habang ali te wan la kali ni sian ni lating ni kali jong ti te.
Lang na hindi.
Ah, ni lomong dah ni. Ani mang ani.
Pit na. Ano sa pit na? Ay. Dapat ko na rin. Saan? Này xây lăng nè. Biasa.
Ya silang yo that you.
Hah?
Silang yo that you. Ban yo penbit ke cat hotel lah tersan you.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.